Faraday induced EMF is established in the coil when it is associated with varying magnetic flux, and whatever the result we will get is called as electromagnetic induction. In electromagnetic induction, what happens? In the coil, induced EMF is established. How it is? Faraday is explained 3 laws. In the previous class, we are discussed about that 3 laws. Now today, we want to discuss about the mathematical expression for Faraday's law. The mathematical expression for the Faraday's law is explained by scientist Newman. The mathematical expression for induced EMF in the coil associated with varying magnetic flux. The mathematical expression is given by scientist Newman. But who is first explained this? Faraday. That's why it is called as Faraday law and also called as Newman's law. Now what is the Faraday's law? Induced EMF in the coil. Induced EMF in the coil is directly proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux. Induced EMF symbol is E. Induced EMF in the coil is directly proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux. Rate of change of magnetic flux symbol is d phi by dt in an opposite direction of the magnetic flux. This is called Faraday's law. Induced EMF in the coil is directly proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux in an opposite direction of magnetic flux. This is called Faraday's law. What is the mathematical expression for it is E proportional to minus d phi by dt. E proportional to minus d phi by dt. If it is explained by Newman. It is explained by Newman. Okay. E proportional to minus d phi by dt. This is the mathematical expression for the Faraday's law. If you remove the proportionality, we will get one constant k. K is equal to 1 for air. That's why we can write E is equal to minus d phi by dt. If coil has number of turns, means capital N turns, so we can write E is equal to minus n d phi by dt. What is the phi magnetic flux? We are already studied about in magnetism chapter. What is the magnetic flux? Flux phi is equal to B bar dot A bar. If you remove the dot product, what we can get? BA cos theta. What is cos theta? Omega t. This we are studied in first year. Theta is equal to omega t. How we can get it? We know that omega angular velocity. Angular velocity, angular displacement by time. So from this what we can get? Omega t is equal to theta. Okay, in this way we can write theta is equal to omega t from this equation. If theta is equal to 0 degrees, cos 0 is how much? 1. So phi is equal to BA. Now substitute this phi is equal to BA here. Phi is equal to BA. So what we can get? E is equal to minus d phi by dt BA. You take A is common. Why A is common? Which is changes? Magnetic flux is changes. A is area. That's why I take area is constant. A into dB by dt. What is the A? Area of coil. Okay, E is equal, what is A? Area. Instead of area, what I am taken? L into B. What is L? Length. B stands for breadth. For square, sorry, for not square, rectangular. What is that one? For rectangular coil, what is area? Area is equal length into breadth. For rectangular coil, area is equal length into breadth. That's why instead of A, what I am taken? L into B. And next, instead of A, what I am taken? Pi r square. What is the pi r square? For circular coil, A is equal to pi r square. Okay, now E is equal to minus d phi by dt. We can write phi also like that. Phi is equal to BA cos omega t. Instead of phi, what I am taken? BA cos omega t. B and A are taken as a common. Cos omega t is differentiate. Differentiation of cos omega t is how much? Minus sin omega t into omega. Differentiation of cos omega t is how much? Minus sin omega t into omega. So what is the equation? E is equal to BA omega sin omega t. It is also another mathematical form of Faraday's law. If coil has capital N turns, what about the induced EMF in the coil? E is equal to NBA omega sin omega t. So we have number of mathematical forms for Faraday's law. One is E is equal to minus d phi by dt. E is equal to minus d phi by dt. Number of coils, E is equal to minus n d phi by dt. Another equation, E is equal to minus a dB by dt. For rectangular coil, A is equal to L into B. For circular coil, A is equal to pi r square. Otherwise, what is another equation form? E is equal to dA omega sin omega t. If coil has number of turns, E is equal to NBA omega sin omega t. Okay, these are the mathematical expressions for the Faraday's law.